Hi, welcome to Patricia Delights, and today we're doing pineapple and ginger glazed chicken wings. Okay, we're going to start with seasoning our chicken wings. So I'm going to start with some sea salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. Alright, we're going to turn the wings over. Okay, now that we have our wings all seasoned, what we're going to do is we're going to dip them in the flour. And then fry them in oil. Okay, now we're going to start frying our wings. And we're going to let them fry until they're golden brown on both sides. Okay, now that we finished the chicken's nice and golden brown on both sides. What we're going to do is we're now going to pour 1.5 cups of pineapple juice into our saucepan. Then I have a teaspoon of grated ginger, fresh ginger. And then I have a 1/2 teaspoon of finely chopped cilantro. And now we're going to let this cook for about 6 to 8 minutes. Until it becomes syrupy. It becomes like a glaze. Okay, now that our pineapple syrup is ready, see it's a thin syrup. What we're going to do now is we're going to place our chicken into a bowl. And then we're going to pour over the syrup over the chicken. We're going to toss I usually like to serve my chicken on like a bed of rice. For this one, I have it in like a circular, in a ring. I'm just going to place all the chicken in the middle. Okay. Now, I'm going to sprinkle some finely chopped green onion. There's a nice garnish and flavor, of course. Okay, now that we're done with our ginger pineapple glazed chicken wings with rice, we are going to taste test. And again, here is my daughter Nicole, who is of course usually behind the camera. Oh, you don't look sure.
I'm not gonna lie, I didn't say anything. I have my doubts about the flavor, but it's actually pretty damn good, so.
Oh, I was gonna say, uh-oh.
Good job.
Well, thank you, Miss Nikki. Well, thank you for joining us on Patricia Delights. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more, please subscribe and hit the bell. And I will see you guys later. Bye. Thank you for joining me on Patricia Delights. I hope you enjoyed the show, and I will see you next time. Gotta go. Bye.